Hello everyone, I am back again and today I am going to do puzzle designs or jigsaw designs. So let's get into it. For this design I am going to use black nail polish, orange nail polish, the top coat obviously, and my dotting tool. I am going to use this small dotting tool as well as the large dotting tool. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I painted my nails orange and I am gonna diagonally paint my nails with black. So now I am going to apply black dots on the orange portion. And apply small dots on the left out orange portion. Now same I'll do at the black portion. I am going to use orange on the black portion. Next I am going to apply orange small dots on the left out black portion. I'm done with this nail, and finally to finish I am going to use clear top coat. This is the final look of my nails. Let's carry on with the advice session. Advice number 1: there should be space between each big dots to make it as a puzzle pattern. Advice number 2: you have to choose the dotting tools as per the size of the dots you want. And advice number 3, as I always say, use top coat to finish off the pattern and to seal the pattern. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Please share, comment and subscribe if you didn't till now. Goodbye. See you later.